Hello lovelies, and welcome back to my kitchen. I hope you all are doing well. So in this video we are going to be making, let me take you guys along. So we are going to be making yogurt parfait, okay? And here are some of the fruits, my choice of fruits I'm going to be using, okay? In here I have raspberry, I have some apple, I have blueberry, mango, and strawberry, grapes, and some um, yogurts. And in here I have two medium pineapples, and also have some bananas, and I might be adding some clementine as well. Okay, so these are my own choice of fruits. You can adjust to yours. Okay, so go with any kind of fruit that you like. Okay, so without any further ado, let's dive into it. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly cut this pineapple. As you can see, the way I'm slicing them. Okay, so I don't know if this one is enough. Okay, so I'm just going to pieces them a little bit more off camera, okay? And this is what we got. Okay, for pineapple, so this is what we got. Okay. Okay, so all right, my lovely, so the next thing we are going to be using is this strawberry granola. Okay, but you can go ahead and use any granola of your choice. And I'm going to be using some yogurts as well. And the ones I'm using today will be Greek yogurt and tropical yogurt, as well as vanilla yogurt. Okay, so sit back, relax, and yeah, sit tight and watch me layer these out. Okay, keep on watching. Don't forget to share, follow, and give a like as well as your comment. Thank you. Hope you're seeing that. So the next one we are going to be using will be this. So my lovelies, I would like to know where you're watching from. Okay, so leave that in the comment section. Let me know where you're watching from, and have you tried this parfait before? Have you tried this yogurt parfait? Let me know. Let me know in the comment section. All right, and don't forget to share this video to your friends, share to your family, share to anyone at all that you know. All right, so go ahead and share this video, and so this can actually go viral. All right, thank you. So we've added a mango and apple. So now we are adding pineapples. Okay. All right, my lovelies, after layering that out, we're going to go ahead and add our Greek yogurt. All right, so keep on watching. All right, my lovelies, as you can see, I'm topping up this. Okay, so we're going to be sharing the next part of this video. Okay, so be on the lookout for the part 2 of this video. However, don't forget to share. Okay, share this video and leave your comment in the comment section, and don't forget to follow so you get all the notifications for more updates. All right, thank you for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye.